Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable double back tap or triple back tap in Redmi K50i smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, we need to open the settings of the phone, then swipe up, then choose additional settings, then select adjusted shortcuts. So swipe up, you can see on the custom gestures option, you can see the back tap. Click on that. Now the first option called double back tap, enable that. So you can choose any options from the list. I will choose the screenshot from here, and the triple back tap also have options. So I will select launch camera. Now I do the gesture and I do double tap. Now you can try. Now take screenshot. When I triple tap, it will open camera. Now you can see clearly. When I try to double tap, it takes screenshot. When I triple tap, it will open the camera. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.